Ọba Adéyẹyè ẹni ìtàn Ògúnwùsì kábíyèsí Ọ̀jájá Ọọ̀ni Ilé Ifẹ̀ wọ́n pè fún ìṣọ̀kan wọ́n tiẹ̀ lọ ìlú Modakeke ní bí ìgbà mélòó kan sẹ́yìn tí wọ́n bá wọn ṣe pọ̀ pé àwọn ti padà wà níṣọ̀kan o àwọn sì ń pè fún ìṣọ̀kan ẹ̀kọ́ mọ̀ tẹ̀wájú ṣùgbọ́n kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Ifẹ̀ àti Modakeke gan.
Ó ti pẹ́ ṣe rí àwọn Modakeke Ọ̀yọ́ ni wọ́n. But ìjáde gbogbo they were scattered. Wọ́n wá settle Modakeke síbí. But they were warlike people. Ifẹ̀ ò jà. But ní reign Síjúadé the first dàbẹ̀ pé kò accommodate Modakeke bẹ́ẹ̀ there was war. And he tried to drive them away. That's what about the wọ́n pọ̀ mbẹ́ about the gbọ̀ngàn wọ́n pọ̀ mbẹ́ and so on. But thereafter Adémilúyì came. He tried to bring them back. When he told to bring, when Síjúadé came, he tried to start that war again. To destroy ìlú méjèèjì. They almost have no visible economic development. Tí wọ́n develop. But Ọ̀jájá débẹ̀ ó ní òun wá láti jà. Òun sì wá láti bá anybody du ipò. Ó fúnra ẹ̀ ló gbéra ẹ̀ tó lọ sí palace Ògúnṣùà. Ògún ṣàkóráyè dé tó kàn lọ́bẹ̀. Kó ṣẹlẹ̀ rí. Àwọn kan wà surprised. But they were happy. Tó pé àwọn náà they want to live in comfort. Kò tẹ́ tí ó fẹ́ sùn kó má lè díjú náà. But they were happy. Wọ́n lè jókòó tí wọ́n jọ ṣe dé ẹgbà tó ń lọ. For the first time, àwọn náà sì dé palace. Àwọn náà wọ palace for the first time. And that has been going on now for 2 or 3 years. And that's what he did. Lọ kí bàbá Awùjalẹ̀, the late Awùjalẹ̀, lọ sọ́dọ̀ Aláké. Ó dẹ̀ máa lọ sọ́dọ̀ Bàbá Lọ́yọ̀. Bàbá Lọ́yọ̀ ló máa ń pè é kábíyèsí Aláàfin. Ali 2-3 times ni bàbá ń ṣe nǹkan tó máa wá bẹ̀. Bàbá wa pé ẹ tí ò bá òun jà yìí ṣé a máa wá máa jà. So he tried to build unity, and that's what we should build. For me, Modakeke, there's nothing you can do about it. It's there. If it's there in large numbers, it may be the majority, but Modakeke is there. But that, when Kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn went to Odeomu, he established the relationship between Ibadan and Odeomu. Odeomu was basically Ọ̀yọ́ too. Gbọ̀ngàn was basically Ọ̀yọ́ too. So those were historical times. Tábà wá dúró sórí ìjà àgbà yẹn, ìjà tó fọ́ Òwu ká. Òwu was a formidable kingdom. A ní Òwu, ilé Òwu ní Ọ̀ṣun, a ní Òwu ní Ẹ̀gbá, káàkiri bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìfọ́n, wọ́n ṣe fọ́n káàkiri náà nìyẹn. That's not the best way for us. Today, development is measured in terms of economic power. Electricity generation, industrial, ICT, tourism, hospitality. And got no importance in the I think how much did you see? And that is why when you look at that, one university can say young country, you're folding up, you bought it over. Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni now, the university should not fold up. For it's Ọ̀jájá University. It's not starting the branch in Ife. He started this. He used resort hospitality, the specialty. Ní kan sí Lẹ́kì tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀ kan nífẹ̀ẹ́. Ó ṣe shopping mall sífẹ̀. Ó lọ ṣe Sẹ́dẹ̀. Ó ṣe Sóṣogbo. Ó lọ ṣe hospitality kan sí Àkúrẹ́. Ó ṣe subway factory sí Èkó. Ó ṣe pharmaceutical sí Èkó. Ó tún wá ṣe a big tourist hospitality sí Èkó ó ń ṣe ti Ìbàdàn ó ti fẹ́ parí ẹ̀ nígbà máa ṣe ti Abẹ́òkúta àti Èkìtì. That is generating, creating job. And I'm aware pé ìgbà tó kọ́kọ́ débẹ̀ ìgbà tó kọ́ ṣe was youth empowerment. Lọ sí IITA, he bought 1.2 million cocoa seedlings. Ó pe fáwọn ọmọ ọ̀fẹ́. Àwọn kòkó yẹn wọ́n ti harvest ẹ̀ sí. Àwọn yẹn ti dolówó. That's what should matter to us. Work together. Build our economic base. Tired of history of Clapperton. Tired of all of that. Create jobs. I mean, that's why everybody is looking up to Oluwadan now. Baba Emma, Omar industrialize. And immediately he set up a committee to look at the industrial base. But kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí lílà? Exile, Tilbury glass, Isoglass, Ferrado, Club beer, Atlantic carpet, Bode foam, and so on. Pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? You must rejuvenate the place. Pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Gbogbo àwọn professional centers here, Institute of Research, Institute of Cyril, Institute of wọ́n ti lọ náà. Gbogbo tó bá lọ sí ọ̀nà àpáta ń ṣe wà wá rí empty building. What do I do? How do I get them back? Nǹkan tá a expect pé ó ṣe náà ló ti bẹ̀ sí ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí ẹ̀. That will create jobs for people. That will reinforce the position of Ibadan as the political headquarters of the Yoruba land. No matter what anybody thinks. Gbogbo wa láti díẹ̀ Yorùbá ní òní connection pẹ̀lú Ìbàdàn. Tí ò bá nílé bẹ̀, á ní ẹ̀gbọ́n tó nílé bẹ̀ àbí àbúrò tó nílé bẹ̀. So we want to see Ibadan grow again. And we see what he's doing and we think he will succeed. And everybody should help such others to succeed.